fried chicken.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Did he say fried chicken?
Yeah.
Fried chicken.
That's very scary.
That is big,
You're
big.
like poking a bear in the zoo.
For me, fried chicken has to be brine.
Flavored from the inside.
That's right.
And Bobby, he's not brining.
He always does that. He doesn't brine his turkeys. He doesn't brine anything.
Every day should be fried chicken day. It's like the best dish. I'm gonna make buttermilk fried chicken with a honey mustard horseradish sauce and mashed potatoes with green chili queso. I'm using thighs, and I'm gonna use drumettes. I have this method where I bake the chicken in buttermilk, just so that it stays moist and it cooks about 3/4 of the way through. So all I have to do is dredge it and fry it and crisp it up, so I know it's gonna be cooked perfectly on the inside and golden on the outside.
Bobby Flay is making potatoes today. Did you understand the assignment?
My side dish.
What do you got?
I'm making buttermilk fried chicken with a sauce that has honey, horseradish, and mustard. I'm making mashed potatoes with a green chili queso sauce.
You always have to trick things out. It can never just be what it is, can it? It always has to be more. You always have to complicate it.
So I'm gonna roast some poblano chilies for the green chili queso sauce and some Fresno chilies for a hot sauce.
Are you nervous about this guy? Be honest.
I'm nervous about him, definitely. I know Chad can make some fried chicken. I gotta do something to distract the judges.
Make sure you season it, Bobby.
May the force be with you, Bobby Flay.
Could someone turn my oven up to about 375?
Your oven?
Yeah, my eyes are bad. Just need that cornbread to cook. That was so nice.
What happened?
I just shut his oven off. To make my queso sauce, the roux is flour and butter. Then I add scalded milk to it.
Here's the thing with Bobby. He'll make that mashed potato so good. Now you're comparing mashed potato to the chicken. What if the chicken's not quite as good?
Fried chicken should be straight up. Like, we don't need to play games with this chili queso.
I'm gonna add a whole bunch of grated Monterey Jack cheese. I want that sort of ooey gooey texture of the cheese sauce. So I take my roasted poblanos, take the stem out and the seeds out, chop it up and add it to my queso sauce. And then for my Fresno chili hot sauce, I add white wine vinegar and honey, a little mustard, Fresno chilies, and then a tiny bit of oil.
What are you making, young man?
That's a Fresno chili hot sauce right there.
Woo! Just took my tongue off, first layer of tongue.
It's hot. It's a hot sauce.
You're not doing bad. Chad's doing better.
So then we're working on the honey mustard horseradish sauce. It's kind of earthy and sweet.
Oh, Bobby, you have a box to bury me in? Because I just tasted the best fried chicken I ever tasted. I could die happy now. Let me know when I can taste a piece of your chicken.
Yeah, it's gonna be a minute. Time to fry some chicken. Flour, cornstarch, granulated onion, granulated garlic, and paprika. I slather down some of the honey mustard horseradish sauce, take some of the chicken, put it into the sauce, drizzle some of the Fresno hot chili sauce, mash potatoes down, make a well, green chili queso.
Bring it home!
Some chives on top, a little black pepper.
3, 2, 1.
Great job. This is a fried chicken and mashed potato dish that anybody would want to have